Hello guys, here in this equipment I took the condenser out because I was make the cleaning process cleaning and this condenser because was very dirty with oil and dust and I took the condenser to make this process cleaning. I have to make took out the condenser because here I have a tank with very oil, hydraulic oil, and to avoid the contamination of the oil with the water, I took out the condenser to make this process cleaning. This is a pump. This pump have to this pump make the circulation of the hydraulic oil into CNC and tank where we have the evaporation to make the cooling of the oil. The compressor is with problem, and I remove the compressor, burn out the compressor. It's burned, and make the trade the compressor. This compressor is three phases, and I will the exchange for the outer compressor monophasic. And any question that we can put your comment in the below, and subscribe and like my video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.